Sapase to all my go-getters. In today's video, I want to do something different. I want to show you guys what you get when you purchase the complete NSA certification. Just in case you don't know if you should get it or not, this is not sponsored by the NNA or anything like that. You know, they don't know me, I'm not affiliated with the company. Okay, so when you look on the website, right? So they have two packages. They have the first one, which is the NSA background screening only, the basic NSA certification, and their most expensive one, which is the complete NSA certification. When you look at the complete NSA certification, the first thing you get is the background screening. You get the notary signing agent exam. You get the 1-year signingagent.com top tier listing. I've only been certified for like 3 weeks or so I haven't gotten any calls from that website yet. Hopefully in a year I could tell you guys if it's worth it. The other thing you get is the notary signing agent certification study guide. That was the main reason why I got it, because of the study guide. Notary essentials training. And then next on the list, you get the notary signing agent loan document source book. You get the loan signing prep sheets. And then last and not least, you get the signing agent log. So all of that, $259 plus tax. Let's go over everything and let me show you guys how everything look in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, leg up. And this is the main reason why I got the complete NSA certification, because of the study guide. Alright. And honestly, I didn't really use this when I was taking the test, but it could be very beneficial for me. So that's the study guide. It has some samples, some sample loan documents. The only thing I did when I got this, the study guide, was highlight this. But somebody said that majority of the answers are on page 72. Okay. Alright, so that's the first thing, the study guide. Second item is the loan documents source book. So basically this is gonna go over all of the loan sample documents. It's pretty thick. See, this is an example of a loan document. Right, so you could, study this and go over all of the loan documents. It's telling you certain things you could say, definitions. Yep, so that's the second item. Now the third item is the loan signing prep sheet. Whenever you get an assignment, I'm assuming like this prepares you. All you have to do is check which type of loan documents, what's included in the loan documents. It helps you be more organized. You could put the signer's personal information, but this could come in handy. And then you get this. This is the signing agent log. I guess this is just to put your information. It helps you to be more organized again. This could be very handy also. When I get some time, I'm gonna look at this. Alright, so here's one of the perks. You get a signing agent profile. People that do need notaries, they sometimes do go to National Notary Association. So I don't know how effective it is, I don't know how good it is, but I heard that it is pretty popular. You're gonna get something like this, and then it's gonna have all your credentials, your email, website, your phone number. As soon as your background screening is ready, as soon as you're good, you're gonna have the ability to create a profile just like this. See right here, this is the notary signing agent certification course. You're going to have like 5 lessons. Alright, it's gonna go over all of the things that you need to know. Lesson 1, lesson 2. Okay, and then they also provide you resources as well, things that you could print out. Here's a simple loan package. And then right here, you could see the notary signing agent certification exam. Then once you pass the test, right, or you could take the notary essentials. This is another course. It just tells you how to be a notary, right? And then you get to choose which state that you're gonna do it in. In my opinion, I feel like the best choice, just pick the basic package. My favorite item was the Notary Essentials. The Notary Essentials is a course that goes over the responsibilities when it comes to being a notary. Because at the end of the day, that's what we are, we're notaries. If you're into this business the long term, and you actually want to take this as a business, not just a side hustle, then you could take the complete NSA certification, but it's not mandatory. That's all. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. Don't forget to please like this video so more people like yourself could see this video. Let me know if you have any more questions for me. Alright, I would love to answer them. My name is Edgy, and I'm out. NSA loan signing agent. Subscribe. Don't you better like this video. Like this video. Like this video and subscribe. Subscribe. Okay. Let us begin.